What's up, YouTube? This is Tito YouTubero back in the kitchen. Welcome back. We got some nice hot barbecue sauce, a little bit of some chili for the wings, a little bit of salt and pepper. Getting ready to marinate some carne, some chicken, some pork rinds. Get busy in the kitchen today. Here go our pan with some wings right here. Another bowl of chicken wings getting ready to go in the oven and put some in the fried na casarola right here. Yeah, we got some homemade pizza. I just setting it up for my son and my daughter, some wings and cornbread. About to get down. We're in the kitchen today this afternoon, getting ready to munch down. Hope you guys like my channel. Keep subscribing, keep following for more updates on my kitchen, getting ready to cook. Hope you guys like. Getting set up already for the day. We're gonna start putting these wings in the oven and get them nice and roasted. Here they go. Set them at 450 right now, the oven. Now we're gonna put our pizza in there, setting it up. Getting ready to cook down in the oven. See? I just pulled out my cornbread just 20 minutes ago. We setting it up. We about to test this cornbread nice and hot. Getting ready to get this party started. Get some wings ready. Got some people coming over. Have a good day today, this afternoon. Nice and chilly outside, but here we go. We're gonna make the cornbread test. Oh yeah, it's ready. See? When you know when that cornbread ready, you got nothing on the knife. All my people to cook out there, they know what I'm talking about. You see? So we're gonna cut a little slice. See how it is. Cut the little corner piece. Bring it out a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit tough, but there you go. Bang! Get that nice hot. Look at that. Nice and hot, ready to come out the oven. See? Cornbread. Nice buttery cornbread. You see that butter on there? Can't beat that. I make it nice and thin. Tastes real delicious. Yep. That's right there, cornbread. That's that good cornbread. You know what I'm talking about out there. So we get this little piece out the way. Set it over here on my little paper towel. Tastes real good. Subscribe to my channel for more cooking updates. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy your dinner, your lunch, and your nighttime snacks. Hope to see y'all again on YouTube. On Tito YouTubero again. Bye-bye, guys. Peace and love out the kitchen. Bye-bye.